no. Mama will take you out there.
Slide, slide. Woo! Oh, that face.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is Friday afternoon, guys, and I just finished working. And I got Paris with me because she wants to go to the park. What would you like to do at the park? Swing? Yeah, you want to go to the swing and play? Yeah, okay, swing. Yeah, okay, we'll go swing. But yeah, yes guys, so that's what we're gonna do. I work from home today, so it's very convenient that, you know, after I work, I can just take Paris straight away to the park. And also the park is just across the road, so that's very handy. So I'll take you with us guys to the park. See you again soon. Bye. So it's a beautiful day out here, guys. So that's the park. Just very close. Yeah. It's currently 27 degrees, guys, so it's beautiful. You can't wait to play.
Mommy, swing.
Yeah, swing, I know. Mama will take you out there. So we'll go swing.
Where's that?
What's that? Yes. Oh, there's another baby there, honey. Okay, do you want to sit it?
No. Go. No.
Let's go.
No, come on.
Come on. That's where she wants to swing. Yeah, you go play. Do you want to see it? Shoe? Where? It's a fly. Oi, there you go. Come on.
Yay! Slide, slide. Woo! Oh, that face. Woo! Hold on. Yes?
Baby.
Where's the boo-boo?
Tea. Tattoo.
Where's the boo-boo? Go, play. Wala naman. Kita na naman ni Mama. Wala man diha sa lubot.
Bata.
Ha?
It's bata.
Bata? No more. Oy, kita na ni Mama. There's nothing. Lamo-lamo man ka. Hat? Toes. Hat? Toes. Head. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. How about kanak? At kung hanggang dito. Oh, head. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Head. Do you want to dance? If you're happy and you know it, clap. Oh, head. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears. Where's the ears? Where's your mouth? Where's your nose? Where's your head? Head. Where's your shoulders? Where's your shoulder? Do you want Mama to sing? Do you want Mama to sing? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. What's that? Hmm? Stick. Stick. Enough. Where's your shoes? Whoa! Up. Where's your hands? Good girl. Where's your tummy? Good girl. Where's your hair? Paris, where's your hair? Baby girl, where's the hair, honey? Ay, wala.
Mommy.
Where's your hair?
Mommy hair.
Oh, mama hair. That's right. Where's mama's hair? Ah, that's right. What color is Paris's hair? What color is your hair?
Blue.
Blue? That's not blue. Takarang kay.
Pink. Pink. Flower.
Flower. So Daddy's now home, guys, and everyone's in the car. We are going out for dinner, and I think Daddy's colleague told him about this Malaysian restaurant in Glen, Waverly, guys. So we're gonna go there and try it out, and of course I'm gonna take you with me so you'll know, you know, the places that we go and all that. So yeah, come. That's where we're going for dinner, guys.
Look.
It's very dark. Hey, say hi now.
Say hi. Thanks, Popping, for the recommendation.
Oh, a van. Ah, yeah. This is. Guys, I am getting this one, curry fish head noodle. Yummy. I changed my mind, guys. I think I'm having the fish head noodle soup instead. Have a look, guys. We've got chicken noodles.
Curry fish and noodle.
Yeah, I know. And Daddy's
Daddy
lychee
eating.
juice. What is it, honey? Mama eat. Guys, we've got the roti. So we just finished dinner, guys. I just took Paris out from the restaurant because she was screaming and she was just hyper, guys. No, careful. Daddy's over there paying.
Daddy.
But yeah, guys, what's the name of that place again? Careful, huh? It's Old Town Taste of Malaysia. Taste of Malaysia. It was really good, guys. I really love the food. It's very tasty, so I would definitely recommend that restaurant, guys, if you're around Glen, Waverly. It's only like 11 minutes drive from us, guys, so it was very handy. Hey, don't be naughty. Oh, don't be naughty. yeah, but that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, I'll be uploading videos, trying so hard, guys, to upload video every single day. So yeah, I'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Hoy, Daddy's here, honey. Hello.